Gyan Portal, our series of basic math questions. Or today we discuss about a amazing question which is about a reverse number. In this question, if you want to discuss or if you want to know the previous question, then please go to the I button and click on it, and you know about our previous question which is about counting digit, and it is the basic thing. And in the reverse we go about further knowledge about how we make or how we play with the digits or numbers as our basic math. So in reverse number, as you see, 1 2 3, and we have to reverse it as a 3 2 1. So we basically just reverse the whole number. And as you see, first of all we discuss, like let us take 1 2 3 as our number, and we already know if we divided 1 2 3, if we divided 1 2 3, what we got? We got 1 2. If we divided 1 2, what we got? We got 1. Okay, and if we divided 1, we got 0. We got nothing. But at the time of modulo operator, what he do? 1 2 3, if we do modulo 10, then what we get? 3. 1 2 modulo 10, what we get? 2. And 1 modulo 10, what we get? 1. So guys, this shows that our modulo operator gives us the last digit, and every time we take a last digit and just 3 2 1, and if we printed these digits, we get our reverse number. So I think you have understand about the basic concept how we do the reverse number. So let us code with us. So open your VS Code, and if you open it, then please comment on the comment section. Yes, I open it here. Now let's start. What we do, we just take a number n as our input, and after input we just take another number which is called reverse number and initialize it as 0, while n lesser than 0, same thing, we just store our last digit. How we store? Nums divided 10, and n equals to n divided by 10, and just every time in reverse num, what we do, we just take that reverse num into 10 and then plus last digit. So I basically take it like this. Yep, and we just see out our reverse num, and I think we got the answer. Let's run the code. Like 1 2 3 4 4 2 1, and our measure like 10400 So guys, it's a correct answer, and I think you understand this concept. So must subscribe this channel, and meet you soon.